In today's video, I'll talk about how to optimize your Instacart metrics the fast way by sending text messages during shopping orders. Tips about what do and don'ts while shopping by Instacart to keep your metrics higher. Hi, my name is Daniel, and I'm an Instacart shopper. You might find my videos helpful if you're new to the job or want to talk more about it here on YouTube. I am genuinely excited to have you here. Let me know in the comments if there's anything I can help with. I hope you enjoy and subscribe to my channel. Speed is nothing without control. Keep this in mind. Communication with the customer is the primary key to being successful in this job. You have to think first about getting the customer's attention, and it takes some time, of course. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover the time you spent sending text messages. Optimize communication by having pre-recorded messages. I will leave some examples that have been used in this video description. My app runs in Android OS, and it is easier to access the clipboard and get my recorded text messages. Here is how you can enable this function on your Android phone. If you are an iPhone user, you can solve it using an app to keep your recorded text messages ready to be used. There are many other apps to do the same, so feel free to pick one. Before you start picking up the products, you must send a greeting message, and it doesn't have to be longer. It must look like you have just written, and that has to show how you care about what you are doing. During long months, I tried many different ways to find out the best way to notify the customer about replacement items. The trick is to realize that customers are different. For example, some people want replacement suggestions, meanwhile customers don't. People come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Some are fun, some are sad, some are generous while some others are stingy. So, starting to communicate with them is the secret to defining your approach. There are likely people with different moods when you're doing shopping for them, so always consider adapting your strategy. The time will help you to develop that intuition. So, don't worry. Keep calm and follow the tips. If your customer uses the app for more than 30 orders, you must consider them heavy users. It makes the job easier. Communication with that kind of customer can be more straightforward. They know a lot about the app, like how replacement works, text messages, and more about Instacart. After establishing contact with a greeting message, good customers are used to sending a quick answer, like "Thank you for shopping." It's the first signal you have to keep communicating with, and notify them about everything in their shopping order. Don't worry about the time. If you follow my instructions to keep pre-recorded text messages, it won't be a big problem. I have received many reviews comments from satisfied customers, and they always note how carefully I was. Don't be crazy if advanced customers don't answer you. You have to continue as talking alone. Believe it, don't stop, do send messages about replacement even your customer doesn't answer you. There is a function in a customer version app that doesn't notify seen messages notes to shoppers if enabled. This is because some of them prefer to be quiet. Keep on noticing them you're doing it. I strictly recommend over-communication. I can't guarantee 5 stars, but certainly, it will prevent 4 or fewer stars. Thank you for watching. My aim is to create the best content possible, so I appreciate feedback, and will use it as a way to improve future videos. Please consider hitting that like button and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this one.